Number 35. Jean buys a textbook, a flash drive, a printer cartridge, and a ream of paper. The flash drive costs 3 times as much as the ream of paper. The textbook costs 3 times as much as the flash drive. The printer cartridge costs twice as much as the textbook, and the ream of paper costs $10. How much does Jean spend all together? So I'm going to write out the textbook, the flash drive, the cartridge, and a ream of paper all together equal an unknown amount. So we're going to have to find that unknown amount. And they tell me that the ream of paper costs $10. And let me just color code. It says the ream of paper is $10. Then it tells me that, let me just start back up here, the flash drive costs 3 times as the ream of paper. So the flash drive is 3 times 10. Now you can use variables. I think on practice test 1, that's how I did it. That's perfectly fine. In fact, that's what I would do. I'm just trying to give you a different perspective here that you might want to try it this way. So the flash drive comes down to be $30. All right. Then it tells us that the textbook costs 3 times as much as the flash drive. So the textbook is going to be 3 times 30, which is 90. And then finally, they tell us that the cartridge costs twice as much as the textbook. So the cartridge is 2 times 90, which is 180. Again, I prefer to use a variable and then finish the problem, but I wanted to give you another way of doing this. If you don't like this way, go back to the practice test 1 and watch the problem there. I can't remember what number it is, but you could look back and see. And then if you add these up, you get 310. And that is that missing number that we were looking for.